With the TestProject OpenSDK, you can develop and execute your web, Android, and iOS tests more easily than ever. The SDKs utilize the TestProject agent as a single component to develop and execute tests for web, iOS, and Android apps. The agent takes care of all management, including downloading the latest web drivers and mobile components to keep you up to date. While working with the OpenSDK, you'll be using the standard Selenium and Appium commands to get the benefits of automatic cloud reports in HTML or PDF format made for you by the agent. You don't need to work hard anymore on your test automation reporting or collaboration. Most importantly, you don't have to upload anything to TestProject. Everything can be done in your local development environment. To use any of the TestProject OpenSDKs, you'll need to have a TestProject agent installed, registered, and running on your current machine. To get an agent, you can simply head to the Agents tab and then download your agent to your preferred operating system. Once you download an agent and install it, you can then again register it from the Agent section. We'll be discussing the TestProject Python OpenSDK. To get started with the Python SDK, just head over to the Integration section and switch over to the Python tab. Here we can see the pip command we can use in our IDE to install the SDK. The SDK will include all the Selenium and Appium dependencies you might need for your automation projects. Once the SDK is installed, we can get started. Let's generate the code of one of our recorded tests from the UI and then open it in our IDE to proceed with development. You can press the More option on any recorded test to generate its code. Then select which language you'd like the code to be in and which driver you'd like to use. Let's go with Chrome and download. The zip will contain the code of our tests and a requirements text you can use to quickly install either the TestProject SDK or PyTest if you don't have them installed already. As we can see, after opening the code in our IDE, PyCharm in this case, the web driver is coming from the TestProject SDK instead of the Selenium SDK. Here in the driver constructor, we can also specify our development token, which you can get from the TestProject platform's integration page. By using this developer token, you can basically connect to the agent to make it run your tests. Instead of specifying the development token in the constructor, you can also specify it in an environment variable called tp_dev_token. To avoid having to place it in each constructor you create. You can also specify the project name and job name where the test reports are going to be stored. Each driver command in the test will be automatically reported to TestProject and will be part of your report. In addition to the automatic reports, you can also freely control the reporting behavior yourself. You can also, for example, disable automatic reporting entirely. You can also create your own manual step reports. Let's create a manual step after navigating to the URL. This is going to be our step description and message. We'll set the step to pass, and we'll also set the screenshot to be taken. To get a sense of what a failed test report will look like, let's break the locator here. And now let's run our test. As we can see, the test failed with no such element exception, meaning that the broken locator was not found. Now we can head to the TestProject platform and view a test report. Once we head back to the TestProject platform, we'll be able to find our report. As we can see, it was saved in the same project I specified, under the same job name I specified. Our test name matches the test name in our code. These are the steps executed in our code and automatically reported for us. Step 2 is our manual step report, and as you can see, it has our message and description specified here, including the screenshot. In the report, we can also see the failed step, including the screenshot, and the reason for failure. Once the report is here, we can generate it into a PDF report. The report will include all our screenshots. Including the PDF reports, you'll also be able to see statistics and velocity reports. Using the same SDK, you can also create mobile tests as well. As you can see, the driver is coming from the TestProject dependency again instead of the Appium one. The TestProject agent running locally on your system will take care of setting up the Appium server for you.